Hi, I'm Jason. If you have ever wanted to start an online business selling custom products but didn't want to buy inventory, rent a warehouse, or spend hours packing and shipping orders, then print on demand might be the perfect business model for you. Instead of purchasing hundreds of products upfront, print on demand allows you to create designs, list them in your online store, and only have them printed after a customer has placed an order. That means no inventory sitting in your garage, no shipping products yourself, and no guessing which products people will buy. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to start a print-on-demand business using Shopify and Gelato. We'll be covering everything from creating your store to adding products and understanding what happens when someone places an order. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the entire business model works, even if you're a complete beginner. I've also included a link in the pinned comment for Shopify that you can use to sign up for free, and also Gelato. Now let's jump in. Okay, before we start building anything, let me quickly explain how the business model works, as a lot of persons think that they need to buy the products first. Fortunately, that's not how print-on-demand works. Instead, your workflow looks like this. You create a design, upload it to Gelato, publish the product to Shopify, a customer places an order, Gelato prints the product, Gelato packages it, Gelato ships it directly to your customer. You keep the profit after your costs and fees. Something important, you don't need shelves full of inventory, you don't need shipping supplies, and you don't need to visit the post office every day. Products are created only after they have been purchased. The first thing you want to do is create your Shopify account. So you're going to tap the link in the description and it's going to carry you to Shopify's homepage, and you're going to tap on Start for free. From there, you'll be able to create your account. After you have created your account, what I want you to do next is you're going to open a new tab and you're going to tap the link for the Gelato link, or you can go onto gelato.com. From there, you'll also be able to create an account for completely free using your email address. Now, after you have created your Gelato account, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're going to select Stores. After you have selected Stores, you're going to see the option Shopify, and you're just going to tap on Connect. Once you have selected Connect, you'll be able to connect your Shopify store, as you can see right here. After you have connected your Shopify store, you're going to tap where you see Product Catalog. And once you have selected Product Catalog, from here you can choose the products that you would like to sell. For example, you have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, wall art, canvases, and also posters, phone cases, mugs, tote bags, calendars. You have numerous options that you can choose from. I would recommend that you start with just 3 to 5 products. So for example, t-shirt, hoodie, coffee mug, wall art, and canvas print. This keeps your store simple while you learn the process. So for example's sake, let's say we were to create our first product. My first product will be a t-shirt, so I'm going to be selecting men's clothing, then I'm just going to select t-shirt. After you have done that, from there you have different options. So you can see t-shirt qualities and t-shirt styles. So for example, you have unisex crew neck. You can see the colors that are available and also the sizes that are available in this particular style. And you can also see the price that you'll get it for. Now let's say, for example, say the one that I were to select, let's say it was this one. After you have selected the t-shirt, you're just going to tap on Add to Store. Then you'll select your store. After you have selected your store, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to add your design. So what I would recommend you do, instead of using a paid program, you can go onto canva.com and you could create an account for completely free. Once on Canva, you can select Create in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, we could type in, for example, t-shirt. After you have selected t-shirt, you can select t-shirt right here. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from the left-hand menu option, you can see numerous templates that you can quickly choose from and customize to your liking. Now, let's say, for example, I were to select this template. After selecting the template, I can add in my own personal touches. So for example, you can see how it would look there. I could mix up the colors, as you can see there. And let's say, for example, I would like to change the color from yellow. I can also do that. So I could tap right where you see yellow right here, and I could change the color. You have numerous options that you can choose from, how you can play around with it, as you can see right there. So you can choose whichever one of these to your liking. And you can also customize the text. You could add in your own style of text by going over to the left hand menu option. You can add text right there. You have numerous platforms that you can also create designs on for completely free. Once you have created your design, you're going to select share. Then you're going to tap on download and you're going to download your design. After you have downloaded your design, you're going to go back into Gelato. So let me tap on save right here. Now we're just going to go back into Gelato and you're going to drag and place your design. So I'll add the design right there. After you have added the design, you can see how it looks. Once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on continue to mockups. After selecting continue to mockups, you'll be able to choose the mockups that you like to add it on. So you have different mockups that you can choose from. Keep in mind a few of these mockups are paid options, so you'll need to be on the paid plan. But you can also upload your own custom mockups, and again you can use different AI platforms to create mockups for you. So I could select the free option, and then from there, let's say I were to select this mockup, then I'll just tap on continue to details. After selecting continue to details, this is where you'll be able to customize the title, and you can also customize the description, and you can scroll down and you can see the sizes that it is available in. Then once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on continue to price. And this is where you'll be able to see the profit that you'll be able to make. So let me change the currency to USD. You can see that it will be selling for $24 and the product costs $12. And our estimated profit, as you can see right here, would be $12.35. You can adjust the pricing if you want more profit. Then you'll simply tap on continue to review. Once you have selected continue to review, so I'll select continue anyway, you can select publish, and just like that the product will be pushed to your Shopify store. Now if we were to go back onto our Shopify store, so let's do that real quick and go over to the left hand menu option and select products. From there you can see the t-shirt has been added right here. So now that the t-shirt has been added, all you'll need to do is you can customize your Shopify store further. So you could select online store from the left hand menu option. Then from there you could select edit theme. After you have selected edit theme, you can customize how your Shopify store look by going over to the left hand menu option. There are numerous tutorials showing you how to do that. If you'd like me to break down how to do that, you can let me know in the comment section. Now let's preview how our store looks. So if I were to select view your online store, once someone goes onto our store, they can simply select the product. Then from there, they can add it to their cart and they can make a purchase. You can see how it looks right here. Now, what happens when someone places an order? A customer visits your Shopify store, then they like one of your t-shirts, they choose the size, color, and quantity, they complete the checkout. Here's what happens next. After the customer has placed the order, payment is processed, order is sent to Gelato, and Gelato prints the product. Quality check, and product is packaged. Product is then shipped and tracking information updated. You don't need to manually print anything. You don't package anything. You don't visit the post office. Everything happens behind the scenes. Before advertising your product, I'd recommend ordering a sample though. You can inspect print quality, colors, packaging, and also shipping speed. And to order a sample on Gelato, you will simply go back onto your Gelato platform. Once on Gelato, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you can select orders. Then you're going to tap on select from store and you're going to select your store. From here you can select the product that you like to order, so for example this one, and we'll select choose. After you have done that, you can tap on continue to shipping and you can see the price that you'll pay. So you'll be able to inspect the speed, you'll also be able to inspect the quality. Now once your store is live, it's time to bring people to it. Some beginner-friendly traffic sources include Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, blog articles, email marketing. Rather than creating dozens of random products, focus on consistently adding high-quality designs to your chosen niche. As your catalog grows, your store has more opportunities to appear in search results and attract customers. So that's how you can start a print-on-demand business using Shopify and Gelato. Instead of buying inventory, packing orders, and handling shipping yourself, you can build a business where products are only created after customers place an order. Shopify gives you a professional online store where customers can browse and buy your products while Gelato takes care of printing, packaging, and shipping those products directly to your customers. If you'd like to get started, I've included links to both Shopify and Gelato in the description and pinned comment so you can explore the platforms and begin building your own print-on-demand business. Thanks for watching.